Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And kung gusto mo, pwede ka rin mag-follow sa akin sa TikTok. Ma-appreciate ko yung pag-follow mo sa akin doon. Ayan. And, start na natin yung reading. By the way, sa TikTok shop, mag-a-avail ako ng product doon or maglalagay ako ng product doon wherein you can avail it para malaman mo kung compatible kayo ng person na kakonect mo ngayon. Ayan. So, i-check mo na lang. So, hindi ko pa nailalagay pero soon. So, i-follow mo ako sa TikTok para ma-update ka doon pag ginawa ko na yun. Okay, let's start your reading for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Kunin natin yung main energy mo. You do have here the Four of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. Okay. Nakaamoy ako ng ano ba to? Something na mentol eh. Alcampor ba yun? I don't know what alcampor is. Hindi ako sure actually, nalimutan ko. Pero parang naririnig ko rin kasing word na alcampor. Pero, ang naamoy ka ngayon medyo parang mentol. Ayan. Pwedeng naglagay ka ng something na menthol sa katawan mo, or maybe you're eating a menthol candy, or ano ba yung sinisinghot sa ilong. Usually kapag nagbabara yung ilong niya, you could be using that. This could be your reading. Nine of Wands is here. I feel like tinatry mong mag-move on from this person and tinatry mong mag-focus sa mga material na meron ka ngayon. You know, with the Four of Pentacles, can you see the person here hugging the Pentacles? So, ito nagpapakita ito ng mga material na bagay na meron ka ngayon na maaaring importante sa'yo. Ngayon, tinatry mong mag-move on dito sa person nito. With the Nine of Wands, I feel like you don't want any challenges. You don't want something na makakasira sa kung ano yung meron ka. The Fool is here. So, part of you gusto mong mag-take ng risk pero something is stopping you. Okay? May nagpipigil sa'yo. This could be yourself na pinipigilan mo, or maybe other people in your life na nagiging rason para tigilan mo itong pagte-take ng risk, or maybe pagfa-fantasize or pag-iisip sa person na kakonect mo. Okay? By the way, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, hindi ka nakaka-connect, maaaring hindi mo to reading ha. Wag mong kunin. Okay? May ibang nangangailangan ng message na ito and maaaring hindi para sa iyo ito. Okay, check mo na lang ibang videos. Sino to person nakakonect mo for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Queen of Swords is here. Eight of Wands. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Wands. And, kukunin ko rin kung ano yung connection ninyo ng person na ito. Connection or situation ninyo ng person na ito. Tell me about this, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have here coffee cup. Ayan. Maybe you are dealing with someone na masarap kausap. Hindi man, usap talaga na maybe in person or through call. Maybe usap na naririnig mo yung boses niya, naririnig niya yung boses mo. Okay? There's a sense of pwedeng mataas ang pride or ego ninyo pareho ngayon kasi nagkakaroon ng separation. And especially with the palm tree, this is an energy of maybe nagmamatigas, or maybe sa ngayon, both of you are nagko-concentrate or nagpo-focus sa something na stable sa buhay nyo. And pwedeng yung connection ninyo is not stable, or yeah, you are actually focusing on money, career, etc. And I feel like itong person na ito, with the Queen of Swords, medyo kina-cut off niya yung pakikipag-communicate sa'yo. Pwedeng tinatry niya na wag mag-message, or pwedeng may nagiging rason din naman para hindi kanya ma-message. Okay? Hindi naman dahil pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya, maybe may iba pang rason. Okay, maybe this person is busy, or this person is pwedeng ganun, busy, or pwedeng kina-cut off niya rin yung pakikipag-communicate or connect sa'yo. Especially with the 7 of Wands and the 8 of Swords, this person has a lot of things to do. Okay, marami siyang dapat gawin, unahin, etc. And whatever you have done to this person, kung ano man yung ginawa mo, like maybe you're moving on, you're focusing on yourself, pwedeng natanggap niya na yon with the 4 of Swords, okay? Pwedeng alam niya na hindi na siya welcome sa buhay mo, or rather, kasi this is what I see in you when you are the 9 of Wands. You are the one na parang hindi mo, nilalagyan mo ng boundary yung connection ninyo. So, tinatanggap niya yun. Na-accept niya na yun. Okay? And ayaw niya rin naman na pilitin ka sa mga bagay na ayaw mo, or rather, hindi mo kaya. Okay? So, ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? This time, I will be getting all the cards na for this reading para tuloy-tuloy, ha. Doon lang sa part na ito, and then later on yung future. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa. You do have the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. Clarify the King and Queen of Wands, please. You do have the 4 of Cups. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. The 10 of Swords, 2 of Swords, and I would like to get one more card. Ayan, Page of Swords and the 9 of Swords is here. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Pentacles. Kukuha tayo ng mutual energy. Anong emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Self-indulgence is here. So, sa nakikita natin dito, with the King and Queen of Wands, I feel like, maybe nakikita mo itong person na to, that someone na parang magmamatch kayo. Na parang, maybe, if you are the King of Wands, he or she is the Queen of Wands, you know. Both of you complement each other. Okay? And, nakikita mo itong person na, especially in a, you know, in a level na, in the 3D, o sabihin na natin ganun, sa buhay, medyo match kayo. Nakikita mo itong person ito na magmamatch sa'yo. For example, magaling ka sa negosyo, itong person na ito, magaling siya mag-advise kung anong dapat gagawin mo. Pwedeng ganun. So, may match. Okay? Maybe kung hindi man siya yung nag-handle, or kung hindi man siya yung mismong nag-act doon sa bagay na yon, pero yung words niya is something na nakakapag-push sa'yo para maging optimistic, para magkaroon ng growth, you know. And on the other hand, nagkakaroon ng pagiging better person, or better finances or career through this person. Okay? So, you see this person as someone na magmamatch sa'yo with the 4 of Cups. I feel like hindi ka na sure, or hindi mo sure kung magkakaroon pa ng reconciliation sa inyo. Because especially if this is a past person na pwedeng naging matagal na yung reconciliation, you're not sure about that. And also, pwedeng hindi ka na sure if you still love this person, or hindi ka na sure sa kung anong gagawin mo if ever dumating itong taong ito ulit sa buhay mo. So, that's the energy. Lalo na with the self-indulgence, you are focusing on yourself. You are trying to heal, trying to move on sa connection ninyo. Okay? Especially with the keys on a ring. So, maybe may mga other options. And decision na ginagawa mo ngayon through other options. Okay? And lalo na Ace of Pentacles is here. This is more material thing. Lahat ng nahahawakan mo ngayon and mga taong kakonect mo ngayon, this is what you are focusing, no? Sa person na ito, nakikita natin nasasaktan siya sa separation ninyo. Nasasaktan siya, hindi siya okay. Parang ayaw niyang gawin, i-cut off ka. Ayaw niyang gawin na magkaroon ng separation. So sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung kina-cut off ka nitong person na ito, might be hindi niya sinasadya dahil pwedeng may ibang tao or maybe this person is busy or trying to cut off the connection, or someone or something ang nagiging dahilan para mapilitan siyang i-cut off ka or mapilitan siyang wag i-message ka. You know, with the Nine of Swords, this person is really sad. Nasasaktan siya. With the Page of Swords, this person, alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya. But, I feel like hindi niya kayang actionan yon. And I want to clarify kung ano ba talagang gusto nitong person na ito. You do have your healthy choices. And clarify the healthy choices, please. Kisses is here. So, sa nakikita natin dito, the healthy choices is you. Kasi nakikita natin na ikaw yung, self-love and self-care. And this is you focusing on your self-love. This is you focusing on your self-care. And you want to be more happy, no? And ini-embrace mo yung mga bagay na meron ka ngayon. Tinatry mong maging satisfied. Tinatry mong maging anong tawag dun sa word na yon? I cannot tell the mismong word. Pero nasa dulo na ng dila ko. Basta something na mga meron ka, parang tinatry mo na, ito yung meron ako, tanggap ko to. Parang ganun. And, this is you, na parang gusto ng person na to. We do have your kisses. So, I feel like this person loves you unconditionally. Pag sinabi natin unconditionally, hindi yun basta matatanggal or matatapos or mawawala sa person nito. And so, maybe, you do have your both. I don't know if there are other people sa situation ninyo na nagiging dahilan for you to move on, especially with the wedding rings. So may soul connection sa inyo na itong taong to, pero something here ang ginagawa ninyo is like kino-close ninyo yung mga doors ng bawat isa ngayon. Okay, so what will happen in the future for the both of you? Nakakamoy nga pala ako ng biscuit, like crackers or fita, mga Hansel, yung mga ganun, yung walang palaman. This could be a reading. Okay, what will happen in the future for the both of you? For the future, for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. You do over the Empress and the Seven of Wands. Gusto ko i-clarify itong Seven of Wands. This is for the near future. You do over the Page of Wands. And tell me more. Kukunin ko na yung mga cards, guys. You do have here the Wheel of Fortune, the Lovers, and the Page of Cups. I would like to clarify the Page of Cups. Page of Cups is clarified by the Three of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Emperor. Ngayon, kukunin natin yung mutual energy. You do have your Axe. Clarify the Axe. Okay. Sorry. Clarify the axe, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Hand of cards. Okay. So, remember like what I've told you na this could be the person na kumukumpleto sa'yo. Or you could be a match. No? Especially with the King and Queen of Wands. Ngayon, nakakita na naman tayo ng matching cards, which is the Empress and the Emperor. Ayan, may matching cards dito. And you know, the Empress is someone na parang minamahal niya yung sarili niya. And that is you. You love yourself. It shows. It shows. No? Maybe your future will be you taking care of yourself, changing your habits, tapos yung mga alam mong bawal sa'yo, inaalis mo yon, and maybe even your diet, you are focusing on yourself, your personal, yung mga personal life mo, you are focusing on this, and nakita natin yung glow up mo because of this. The Seven of Wands, you are trying to learn something. This is you na pwedeng learning, or maybe nag-a-add ka ng skills mo. And this is you with the Page of Wands. You might be, the person who is eager for knowledge, and pwedeng may mga tao kang kontakin or makausap with regards to this, and would also help you pagdating sa iyong development. Now, pagdating sa person na ito, I can see a possible change pagdating sa buhay niya. You do have the separation with the Axe card, so technically may separation pa rin in the near future. You do have the hand of cards. These are other options. So, pwedeng ito pa rin yung nagiging sagabal, no? Especially with the wedding rings and seduction. You see, wedding rings is showing to me as marriage, or yung mga ka-live-in, yung mga kasama sa buhay. And you do have your seduction, which is attraction, flirt, dating, hooking up, temptation, third-party interference. So, might be ito yung kakonect in the near future, both sides, no? Ikaw at saka siya. But, in the near future, may nakikita tayong mga offer dito sa person na ito. And I feel like may makakakonect itong person na ito na something or someone na makakontribute sa way ng pag-iisip niya or mga plano niya regarding the future, especially may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. The Lovers is here, and the Wheel of Fortune. Clarify this, please, Spirit guides, angel guides. What's with the Lovers and Wheel of Fortune? Queen of Cups and the Chariot. What's with the Chariot? Knight of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. So, I feel like this is your person, as you can see, there's a lot of queen dito. Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Queens in tarot readings is someone na who value home, no? And nakikita natin yung pagbibigay niya ng importansya sa lugar kung nasaan siya, sa mga taong kasama niya, especially if your person is married or in a relationship. So nakikita natin yung pagbibigay niya ng pagmamahal, And you know, yeah, maraming obligasyon itong taong ito. And I see the energy of your person wanting to travel in the near future. So what is the advice for you, Virgo? Summarizing Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have your passion and date. Gusto ko i-clarify to. What's with the passion and date? Please, spirit guides, angel guides. Coffin is here. And the stab in the back. Okay. For some of you, if you're still single, the energy here is to welcome new people in your life, no? And if you are, not looking for love or anyone or any who or anything, whatever, this is you, yung energies. You have to love yourself, no? Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Because might be there's an ending between the two of you nitong person na ito. But you do have your stab in the back. Yung pain na naramdaman mo sa kanya and mga na-experiences mo sa kanya na pwedeng mahirap kasi nagkaroon ng or may separation, it is something na pwedeng mag-build or may binubuo siya na something sa'yo. Like, this person is a lesson for you, no? Kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin sa buhay mo. And this is like a person na parang you need to focus out sa connection ninyo, whether you are soulmate or you feel like you are maybe twin flame. Ayan, you need to transform yourself. Maybe etong taong to naging malaki yung tulong niya sa'yo para ma-open up yung mind mo sa spirituality. And maybe this separation is healthy para sa'yo, para mag-glow up ka with the butterfly. This is you na, the butterfly is someone na very beautiful, kung saan napapadpad, na nakakalipad, and this is you na parang, para maging maganda ka, mag-glow up ka, or ma-enhance yung knowledge mo, especially with regards to spirituality. Malaki ang naging tulong nitong person na ito. Okay? So, yeah, that is the advice for you. Okay? Do not concentrate on the connection, to continue on moving on and love yourself. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.